You know, there's something about cooking at night. It's quiet, it's calm, it's the perfect time to think. I started flying FPV drones about 4 years ago, but I rushed it, made mistakes, things got pricey real fast. Getting into this wasn't smooth sailing. The day after I bought a second-hand drone, I destroyed one of the motors. With a new frame and a fresh set of motors, I spent an entire night transferring parts from the old drone. But the troubles didn't stop there. A few days later, I flew my drone over a lake and ended up dipping it in the water. I spent the next 30 minutes shivering, searching for it in the icy depths. Unfortunately, the drone was done for, completely broken. I found myself again on the edge, my funds nearly depleted. Despite these challenges, I decided to give it one more shot. I gathered all the necessary parts and built a new drone equipped with the latest components. I even decided to upgrade my equipment, swapping out my old action camera for a new GoPro because my previous one didn't record gyro data. I had a vision of capturing a sunrise over the bay, the city, and the boats from the perspective of my drone. So I woke up at dawn, headed to the beach, and grabbed a coffee. After a test flight with one battery, I executed the shot that I want to do for so long. Watching my drone glide over the water as the sun rose was a moment of pure joy. Returning to FPV flying after 4 years has been a journey filled with ups and downs. But as I drove away from the beach that day, I felt a sense of peace. I had found my way back to my passion. Despite the challenges, every moment was worth it, and this is just the beginning.